Welcome to this DocQ demonstration. Today we'll show how DocQ transforms the manual and time-consuming expense reporting process into a fast, accurate, and fully automated workflow. With DocQ, employees submit expenses and receipts easily, finance and managers review and approve with complete visibility, and every action is tracked, calculated, and securely stored, ensuring accuracy, compliance, and a seamless end-to-end experience. This is the template that serves as the basis for our expense reports. Inside, we have the expense report structure. Everything in double brackets, like employee or manager name, is a variable. When someone fills out a form, the data automatically populates these fields in the document. We have also applied Jinja logic inside the template. This means the document automatically performs all calculations, totals, and validations without any manual input. DocQ generates the final values dynamically, based on the employee's form submission. Now let's explore the workflow that orchestrates this entire process. This workflow follows several clearly defined steps. The expense report is submitted via a web form, which starts the entire process. The finance team reviews the submission and decides whether to approve or reject it. Notifications are sent immediately based on finance's decision. If approved by finance, the manager signs the document, triggering an additional notification. If rejected by the manager, the workflow goes through a new notification step, then returns to finance for further review. In every path approved or rejected, the document is automatically converted to PDF, renamed, stored in the correct DocQ Drive folder, and tagged. Now let's show how this works in practice. The employee fills out the expense report web form with basic details, multiple expense details, and attached receipts. After submission, DocQ automatically generates the expense report, stores uploaded attachment receipts as metadata, and sends the document to the finance team. Now the finance team receives a form that can be opened through MyQ or the notification email, where they will review the submitted data by the employee. Let's suppose the finance department follows an internal rule. If the total amount exceeds $2,000, they may choose to reject the request. Otherwise, they proceed with approval. Similarly, DocQ allows you to apply conditions to any existing value or any calculated field, giving you full flexibility to route the workflow based on your own business rules. In this workflow, the conditional rule is applied directly inside the finance approval step. So, the team determines the next step through a single field in the form, approved or rejected. DocQ evaluates this selection and routes the workflow automatically. If approved is selected, 1. DocQ sends an approval notification to the employee, and 2. The workflow then moves to the manager signature step, so they receive the signature task both through MyQ and directly in their email inbox. They can open the document from either location to review the details and receipts. Once the manager signs, the process is finalized and the workflow moves to the approval notification to the employee. If the manager rejects the request, a notification is sent to the employee and the workflow is routed back to finance, so finance can review the rejection and decide how to proceed. Also, DocQ sends a notification email to the employee, informing them about the process. After the final approval notification, DocQ performs all the automated document operations, converts the document to PDF, renames it as expense report //named //approved, applies the correct tags, expense report and approved expense, moves the document to the correct folder, folder expense, goes to approve expenses, and if rejected is selected, DocQ sends a rejection notification to the employee. After the notification, DocQ performs all the automated document operations similarly to the approval process, converts the document to PDF, renames it as expense report //empname //rejected, applies the correct tags, expense report and rejected expense, moves the document to the correct folder, folder, expense goes to rejected expenses. DocQ also includes a complete audit trail of each action the document crosses over the process. This option is accessible in the document on the History tab, including form submission, finance approval or rejection, manager signature, when applicable, notifications sent, renaming, tagging, and folder movement, and all workflow transitions. Finalized documents are securely stored in the DocQ Drive with their attachments, approved reports in the approved expenses folder, and rejected reports in the rejected expenses folder. This ensures proper separation and simplifies future retrieval. DocQ's powerful search tools ensure that all expense reports are easily discoverable and accessible. DocQ's search allows you to locate documents quickly in the current directory. Activating search in subfolders expands the lookup across all nested directories. Full text search scans the entire content of documents, not just metadata. This instantly returns all documents containing the searched term anywhere in the body. DocQ automates the entire life cycle of expense management. Seamless employee submission, automatic Jinja calculations, dynamic conditional routing, manager e-signature, fully automated document preparation, complete audit trail, and advanced search and document organization. From submission to final storage, everything is handled accurately, securely, and effortlessly.